Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted. If you are a solo traveler or an adult traveling with kids or friends, a twin bed RV floor plan can be ideal. Here are some of the best travel trailers with twin beds. Airstream is the most prolific manufacturer of travel trailers with twin beds. Several of their models offer twin bed floor plans, and some even offer multiple twin bed layouts. In this video, we are touring the Flying Cloud 25 FB with twin beds. This trailer has a comfy lounge area across from the functional kitchen with pull-out pantry storage. Access from the hallway between the bedroom and living area is a wardrobe closet and a cross-hall bathroom. The bedroom, of course, has two comfy twin beds with a nightstand in between. The twin bed floor plan offers more floor space and longer mattresses than the queen bed option. As I noted earlier, Airstream has a mini twin bed floor plans. I'll link to a complete list below. There are also a few other travel trailer brands with the option for twin beds. For example, the Intech Soul Dusk is just 21 feet long, but has everything you need inside. The front area has a large dinette beneath a panoramic window. A wet bath has a shower and toilet inside. And across from the bath is a kitchen with a cooktop and a large sink. And the rear of the RV contains the versatile bed and lounge area. It comes set up as two twin beds, but filler cushions can be placed in the middle to create one king-size bed. Follow us for more RV tips and tours.